Isha lived alone, running a small shop that was her source of livelihood. Though she managed her affairs well, she was never at peace. Her mind was a battlefield of what ifs. What if something happened to me? What if I fell sick with no one to help? What if I lost my shop, my house, everything I have worked for? What if I grow old and can no longer walk? The endless worries drained her, leaving her feeling helpless and afraid of a future she had only imagined. Every night, she lay in bed, unable to sleep because of her worries. During the day, she paused before spending money, afraid of running out of savings. She often stood at the door of her shop, looking at the empty street, wondering if customers would come tomorrow or if things would remain uncertain. Her fears felt heavy, making her days dull and her nights sleepless. One evening, as she sipped her tea, she flipped through a magazine. Her eyes landed on an article about an elderly pottery maker, and something about it grabbed her interest. She began to read. The story was about an old man who had been working tirelessly to sustain himself through his pottery business. One day, he fell ill, too weak to get up. Instead of panicking, he decided to take rest. When he felt very hungry, he gathered his strength, got up slowly, and got some fruits from his kitchen. Later, he called a nearby pharmacy to have flu medicine delivered. With each small step, he kept saying to himself, I can do this. I am getting better. I can take care of myself. God is watching over me. Within a few days, he regained his strength and returned to work. The article concluded with a deep thought. Now reverse the situation. Imagine if the old man had kept saying, I can't do this. I am alone. I am so sick. What will happen to me? I might not survive this. Which perspective do you think would have given him the strength to heal and carry on? As Isha read those final words, she realized that she had spent so much time trapped in fear, suffering more in her imagination than in reality. Perhaps things would never be as bad as she had feared. She suddenly realized that she had survived every challenge so far and she would continue to do so. Isha decided to choose to see life differently. She still had concerns, but she no longer allowed them to control her. Whenever a negative thought came into her mind, she reminded herself, I am strong. I can handle whatever comes my way. I am not alone. God is watching. She found a state of peace she had never known before.